Chiskuru korwa ewadi ya Birongo egotoka imeya Nyaribari chache ekaunti ya Kisii egotema gokoribia ase chiskuru echo chiabere chikorikia amachibwa maya Murikito Wycliffe Manyara nigo atara goika ase chinsemo echo na nigo agotwareganiria oroboti oru ase oboime.
Omwalimu omonene bw'esukuru ya Kioke Friends Secondary School Ezron Sang'anyi niga atebire buna ase omwaka oera nigo esukuru yabete gekomenta eminisco korwa 4.1 gocha 4.66 ase yairete abana 10 e-university. Nase rituko ria rero ase abana baria baisokia na Colchester grade 10 nigo bare 15.
Omwaka oyo so far abana ba grade 10 bachire baripotire ange 15 iga. To expected to approve 135. We want to expect it ngonya report very day school ne na ngonya bagari to litanga ni bako nya gocha ngora. We are expecting gocha bali dollar rusop. KCSE abana mwako yara tema temu ya sogete abana baite 10 gichi university. School ke bwate mini score ya 4.66. Improve it kuri mini score ya 4.1 ya 2024.
Nase skuru ya Birongo SDS Secondary School eyo ekorawa amono mwalimu omonene Tom nero yakoria buya korwa ase minisco ya 1.8 mpaka 4.1. Ase grade 10 rero nigo baba liki abana 30 na babere egati ya baria eserikali ebatomerete 50 nomo noyomo.
Na jitega enrollment ya lengense sana performance ya lengense mono eminia ya na nyorete ya lengense 1.8 tuwatira na community na balimu na office twanyikiri 4.1 na kubwatana nayo ntwekaransete tukabanga na balimu tukabwatirana ntogenderete tutatusigiki tonyorenga abana bange baetire nande ntogenderete kumarket school yaitu na bana lochenga etibi jagetembe yakorire gasingia sana asoboje se school
rero tuansire receive abana ba grade 10 school yaitu ya Korobia Samatemu alia 2025 mini tuaru previously ya 1.8 want to ikire 4.1 school yaito ya Eruchi Pathways STEM social studies sciences sports mbaroro ba very received ntobwata facilities kisaine tuarosali kubaka ICT modern equipment courtesy of Safaricom tuwaganirie abana bali basomera computer baliganiriwe kabisa.
Nase skuru ya St Andrews Irondi Senior School omwalimu monene oyo obaga kubeko ase omwaka oria omutienyo kianda Clement Oduol nere ase emitienye meke aberete na abana abo bakora amatemu nigo basugumana nabo egekogera buna mbarenge gocha skuru matuko onsi na bakamenta eminisco ya 0.7 igoro ase omwaka o 2024. Nabo igo nigo atebabuna nigo atemete agakeia chi ekiokonye chibuchete buna bono ase omwaka 2024 buna bono ase omwaka 2024 nigo chi chiarenge isano nemo na ase omwaka o 2025 oyoerete ekero asoete nigo chiakete mpaka AEAMO.
37 candidates that we presented for KCSE 2025. The 37 students, when I came, 7 were not coming to school at all, and a few were on and off. We had to go for some of them, talk to them to convince them of the need of coming to school daily. We did. There was some improvement. Unfortunately, about 2 are sick. They were very sick. And they only came to do exams.
Nase skuru iyo ya Irondi nigo bakagerete abana 90 nase baria baikarero nigo barenge 10. Chiskuru eki chonsi Irondi Kioke amona Birongo nigo bababoririe ebinyoro bibyatainene banyare ko batomera abana egekwera bono bebangire ase omwaka oyo buna ngochi gokori barebuya. Korwa Birongo gwoti Nyaribari chache Kisii County nje Wycliffe Tyson Manyara Kingo Reporteri Getembe.